Oh my goodness, what is up guys? How are all of you guys doing? I am feeling so good. It is debatably my favorite time of the week. It is Saturday morning, just chilling at home right now, patiently waiting for the stores to open. And you guys already know why my favorite time of the week is Saturday morning. It's because we get sneaker releases, and this week we have two that I am very excited about. Thank you all you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you from the bottom of my freaking heart. I'll leave links in the description if you guys want to go follow me on Instagram or Twitter. I know I've been ghost on Instagram. I'm getting back to it. My phone's still broken and it's taken forever to get fixed. Don't buy a weird phone. I have the S8 Edge and nowhere in Winnipeg stock screens for the S8 Edge. So they had to ship one in from who knows where. Just long process. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. I do shoes, I do traveling, I do just random fun stuff. And I think you guys will really enjoy it. That being said, stores open up in like 20 minutes, so let's get going. Today is the first rainy day I have seen since I got back from Singapore, and it's a little bit colder than the rain we had in Singapore. I'm not complaining though. I love the fall. I don't love this wind so much. Fall's one of my favorite times of year. Everything slows down a little bit, gets a little bit cooler. I love the color of the leaves. There's always good sneaker drops, and I guess the only downside is it is a sign that winter is coming, and when you live in Winnipeg, that is not a good thing. So the first pair of kicks that came out today that I wanted to pick up was the Skepta Air Maxes, and those things are really, really nice. I dig how subtle they are, but at the same time it has all those patterns going on, and those were a raffle only at Livestock, and of course I didn't win. I entered. No luck once again, so I'm gonna hop over there, see if somehow a miracle strikes twice in 2 weeks and we get a pair that wasn't raffled, or at least maybe I can check out a pair that's just sitting at the store. Also, I think they might have the second pair of shoes that I'm after today as well. So here they are, the Jordan 12 International Flights. They don't have my size. They sold out pretty well through all the sizes online, and they take the online stock out of the in-store stock as well, which is, I mean, totally makes sense. A little bit bummed out because I want to grab these. I guess there's still a couple other stores that I can check out for these, but really nice little snake scale or reptile scale design. Some crazy little designs on the navy blue suede, and on the inside I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like clouds or what it's supposed to be. And then there's some Korean or Japanese. It's definitely not Chinese, I don't think. Some sort of Asian writing over there. I'm not even going to try and guess. You guys can let me know down in the comment section below. Ooh, that bottom looks nice too. This is a really well done pair of Jordan 12s.
I mean, the photos didn't really give me much of an impression, but yeah, in person, different story.
I really like the pictures, so I'm excited. Ooh, those are so nice.
There you go.
Wow.
Hard, man.
These are so nice.
Yeah.
I'm so bummed out I didn't get the raffle. I'm gonna have to pay resale for these. 100%.
Yeah. What's that do again? 12. These
Skeptas are so nice. Look at these. If you've seen them in pictures, they're about 2 times better than they are in pictures. These are really, really nice. They're subtle, but at the same time, there's that crazy pattern going on, and there's those little hits of red, and then the back is a little bit shiny. Really, really cool pair of shoes. Skepta's done some good jobs on the Air Maxes that he's designed. I'm not sure how much input he honestly has. I mean, probably a decent amount. I don't know what those dates are over there, but these are really cool. Like, really, really nice. Well done. So there's one more chance for me to get those International Flight Jordan 12s. The sketchy downtown mall does have a Foot Locker that actually does get some Jordan retros, and the manager there is actually really, really cool. He's a cool guy. He's fine with me going in there, and obviously I've had some problems with a different Foot Locker in the city, but Foot Locker as a company, generally the people are super nice, so I'm gonna go check out this Foot Locker, see if they have a size 12 left. Now, I don't want to get my hopes up because they're probably not going to have a size 12 left. I mean, if Livestock is sold out, they usually get way more stock than the Foot Locker, and I think Foot Locker is going to be sold out if Livestock is sold out. I don't want to give up just yet though. Thankfully, living downtown, everything is 2 blocks away from everything. I'm gonna walk over there right now, fingers crossed that they still have the Jordan 12s. Okay, nothing inside of that Foot Locker. I mean, they did have some cool stuff. They had a really cool pair of Air More Up-Tempos in there, and they didn't have the Jordan 12s that I was looking for, which sucked. No way I'm going over to the big mall today on a Saturday filled with people doing last minute back to school shopping. So unfortunately, we're just gonna have to chalk those ones up as a loss. Now, it's time to get back to the apartment. Okay, no Jordan 12 sitting at Foot Locker, which is too bad admittedly, but I have been lying to you guys a little bit. So let me take you back to livestock about an hour and a half ago.
Okay, I got a phone here if you want.
Yes, I do.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, I got
you. Sweet. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness. I don't know if like I'm just the luckiest person on earth or the guys in there like me, but once again, size 12 sitting there. No one picked it up, no one claimed it. I'm gonna need to start doing this on a weekly basis. I mean, you guys are probably gonna start doing this now. Wow, I am so happy. This is 2 weekends in a row that I picked up an amazing pair of sneakers for retail when I didn't win the raffle, when they sold out. I love these things. Let's get home and take a look. And here we have them, the Skepta Air Maxes. On this side it says, I want to get the date right, June 8th, 2014 at 12 p.m. And then on this side it says never sleep on tour. I don't know what the date significance is. Maybe it has something to do with this tour. I'll be honest, I'm a casual Skepta fan at best. I do listen to some grime, mostly gigs. He's the main guy I listen to. So I'm not really sure the significance of that. The retail in Canada was $255, which is the same price as Jordan Retros, so a little bit expensive. I think they must have been $190 or $200 in the States then. Here's the receipt, and here is the paper, which has the same pattern as the outside of the box and as the shoe. Oh wow. I mean, I've obviously seen these an hour ago at Livestock, but these are so nice. Just like the simplicity of these, but at the same time, everything that is going on in these makes this just an amazing looking pair of shoes. Like seriously, good job Nike. This is something that is not super hyped up. This is something that is not going to be remembered as one of the releases of the year. But I'm gonna remember this as one of the coolest collaborations of the year. Like, I can't even talk. This shoe is awesome. The official colorway is black, and deep red. This is 100% the first pair of Air Max Deluxes that I've even thought about buying. The material is really cool. It's like this thick nylon mesh. It feels very similar to something you'd have on a pair of Jordan 11s if you guys are trying to compare the materials. And then you have like this plastic net cage up here for the eyelets, and you have like this plastic guard right there on the toe, and in the back you almost have, it's like a foamposite material, which is very cool. And the inside is legitimately like a carpet. Like the inside is long-haired, shaggy, carpet feeling material, except like a luxurious carpet, not like your grandma's carpet. Nike did not cheap out on the carpet materials on this pair of shoes. As far as the colors go, it's black and gray and black and gray, and the really only hit of color that's visible is this air bubble right here, and then bang, on the bottom you have the red stripe, and then you have that tuned Air logo right there, which has some white and some yellow. I mean, the insole is also completely red, but no one's gonna see that when you're wearing the shoe. Obviously the shoe's all black, so you're gonna be able to wear it a lot, which is great, which is something I really value, which when I'm purchasing a pair of shoes for $287 after tax, you better be able to wear them a lot. I honestly just noticed that right now. They have the date right there. I think I mentioned that earlier in Livestock, but I just realized now that it's the same date as was on the box. As I said, I have no idea behind the significance of this pair of shoes. I just like how they look. That leads me to a great question. Personally, I think it's completely fine if you don't like an artist, or you don't like a designer, or you know nothing about a pair of shoes and you still want to buy that pair of shoes because you think it looks cool. I think that is 100% fine. But I want to hear from you guys. What do you think? Do you think that means that you're only buying something for the hype? Or do you think that means that it's you really like the design of the shoe? Or what is your opinion on that? The people that say that you're a hype beast if you buy a pair of shoes and you don't even know the meaning behind it, I would argue that you're the opposite of a hype beast. Like if I know nothing about Off-White and I want to buy the Off-White shoes simply because I think they look awesome, that means that the hype does not factor in at all. Whereas if I'm a massive Off-White fan and they do Off-White shoes, then I'm so hyped up that my favorite brand is doing a pair of shoes that I'm already hyped on. I think you're more of a hype beast if you're already aware and you purchase it only because you like that brand or only because you like that artist. For instance, if you buy Yeezys only because you like Kanye, I think you're more of a hype beast than if you buy Yeezys because you like how they look and don't even know who Kanye is. Anyway, I want to hear your opinions on that down in the comment section below, because I think that's a really interesting question, one that I think you guys could offer some interesting opinions to. I was just browsing online. It looks like most places these have sold out at. They're sold out on Nike Canada, they're sold out on all the boutiques, and I'm very lucky to just walk in there, ask for a pair, and get a pair. If you guys were lucky enough to pick these up, let me know down in the comment section below. I'm very, very excited to sort of get to wear these a little bit more and break them in and enjoy them, because this is something that's going to be great for the fall and winter months. It's just black, so it's not going to get dirty, it's not going to show signs of wear. Pretty good Saturday morning overall. We weren't able to get the Jordan 12s, but we got the pair of shoes I really wanted, the Skepta Air Max Deluxe. Cannot complain about today at all. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and the rest of your weekend as well. Smash that like button. Let's see how many likes we can hit. And if you're still watching to this point in the video, comment tomato soup, because that is what I am having for lunch as soon as I turn off this camera. Love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video, which is going to be a very good one if I do say so myself. And until then, peace.